guys, it's Bethany, and in today's video, I partner with FabFitFun, and I am so excited because this is an amazing company, and we're going to be opening this in a second. It'll be really fun. FabFitFun just released their winter box, which is the one that I have today. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products that comes out 4 times a year. Each box costs $49.99, except it's worth $200, which is amazing. And also you can use my code, which is BG10, to get $10 off your first box, which is awesome. FabFitFun now lets you customize some of the items in your box, so I'm going to show you what's in my box. Sign up now so you don't miss out on getting to customize your favorite products. As you can see, FabFitFun also partners with charities and female-founded companies each season. And it's available in the US and Canada and the UK. I'm gonna open it now. Okay, so I have the box here. I just gotta say, the box is like really awesome because like when you see it in the mail, you're like, that's mine. Like that is my like box. It's because I just love like how it has all the colors and stuff, and it's obviously winter themed. So I customized this obviously a little bit because you can customize some of the products, but I don't remember what I chose except for like one thing. I remember one of the things that I picked, but not the rest. So this is gonna be a huge surprise. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at, like, it's so pink. This is like my favorite color, pink. I want a nail polish like this for Christmas. What is this? This is like a magazine. I think I'll look through it in a second. What is this? Purple grid. So I was looking at all the stuff I got, and this is in the future. Hi, future Bethany. But I was looking at this purple thing, right? I don't think I looked on the back and realized that it says $100 off. So that's $100 worth of stuff that I missed. So here is the proof. I'm just gonna like bring this to school and play with it. Like this feels so weird. Wait. It's not like, what? $15 off your first box, and it says that you should like pass it on to a friend. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. This is so nice. This is a like full-on blanket. Oh my goodness. This looks like so good quality. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is like so heavy and like such heavy duty. Like I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I need to open this. Oh my gosh. Wait. I need to do a cover photo. Wait. This is body wash. Epsom salt hand and body wash. Whoa. Okay, wait. I kind of want to smell it. Calm and clean. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. It smells a little bit like tea tree oil, I think. Okay, there's that. That's fun. Fun. And we have Prime and Prep Detangler. So it's a hair detangler, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, this is for like, this is a heat thing. So like if you're straightening your hair, you spray this in to keep it like protected from heat. Oh, okay, that's helpful because I mean I have some now, but like I'm gonna run out, and I think I'll like this better anyway. We keep going. Oh, that smells so good. That smells like a like I don't know. It just smells good. Oh, I can't smell it from there. Like a woman, like clean. Like this smells very clean. Kind of like roses, I guess. Shower speaker. Heck yeah! I got a musical coming up. I'm gonna need to be practicing my songs. Wait, this is so cool. Look how pretty it is. It's like, come on, focus. There we go. Look at that. It's so pretty. And it feels like such good quality, like the outside. Wow, I'm so like excited to use this. I think, so this is kind of like, okay, so I know nothing about makeup. I actually don't like own any makeup. This is my first like time getting makeup. So I don't actually know what this is. Wait, oh, is it shiny? Just like squeeze it to get product in. Smells really good, and it's like so like makeup nicely done. So I rubbed it into my hand. You can kind of see it. It's a priming base for makeup. Can also be used alone for naturally dewy skin. Gives you a soft, focused glow. Perfect base for makeup. Dewy skin effect. I don't know what that means. Antioxidant benefit for healthy looking skin. Apply 2 drops and pat into a clean, dry face. Use before makeup. Makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Wait, I'm actually so excited. Wait, what is this? Oh, I think it's a towel. Yes! This is so awesome. Holy cow. Oh, this is nice. And this goes with my bathroom theme too, because my bathroom's pink. Oh, yes. So it literally feels like those soft blankets. Like, that's actually really cool. Let's see, like, the benefits and stuff. Erase all makeup with just water. See, I do that, like, with just water. I also have makeup wipes, though. I'm very excited to try this out tonight. Yay! Then we have, bath salts. Dead sea salt. I mean, I would open it, but it's like, it has this kind of opening thing, so I don't have anything to put in if it spills. It's gonna be fun. Yay! I'm like, this is a really cool box. I'm just saying, okay? This next thing is my first real piece of makeup. Like, whoa. It's an eyeshadow palette. I've never owned real eyeshadow. I've only had the kids stuff and dollar store stuff for videos. I'm so excited, and it has really pretty colors because it's just like nudes. I'm actually like gonna try to like learn how to use makeup. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's called Proof is in the Pudding Beauty Bakery. That's cool, and it's kind of, it's pretty like, the inside's really cute. I think that's, what is that? Is that like a banana? This one seems vibrant. Oh wow, like that. Nut pudding! I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna try it. Ooh, it says like a light brown, that one. Yes, that's the one that's gonna make me look weird if I leave it here. Love this like whole FabFitFun thing. I'm really excited. Okay. Well, that concludes the video. Let me take this off now. Don't forget that you can use my code BG10 to get $10 off your first box. And even if you didn't use that code, it's still totally worth it. Like, but do use the code because that makes sense, right? This stuff I got is awesome. I'm really excited to use it. And like, thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Like, this is an awesome company. I'm just like so happy right now. I love all the stuff I got, and I'm really excited to like use it. So thank you so much to FabFitFun for sending this to me. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, click the eye in the corner, and don't forget to, of course, subscribe to my channel, Bethany G. Thanks for watching. Bye!